Imagine a future where trucks glide silently across highways. No roaring engines, no tailpipe smoke, just clean power and pure torque. That future might be closer than you think. The 2026 Tesla Semi is here, and it claims to revolutionize the $700 billion trucking industry. But can it really deliver on those bold promises? Let's find out. Diesel trucks have long been the backbone of freight logistics, but they're also one of the largest sources of transportation emissions, each one releasing over 20 tons of CO2 per year. That's where electric trucks come in, quieter, cleaner, and potentially cheaper in the long run. Enter the Tesla Semi, a futuristic machine with sleek aerodynamics, cutting-edge tech, and industry-shaking ambition. And major companies are betting big. PepsiCo, Walmart, UPS, all placing orders even before full production begins. So what makes this truck so special? Let's start with range. Tesla claims up to 500 miles on a single charge, even with an 80,000-pound load. That's unheard of in the EV world, and perfect for long-haul routes. Then there's performance. Thanks to 4 independent electric motors, the Semi goes from 0 to 60 minutes or more in just 20 seconds, fully loaded. That's faster than many passenger cars. And uphill, it doesn't slow down. On board, you get a centered driving position, twin touchscreens, and of course, Tesla's Autopilot for semi-autonomous driving. And with regenerative braking and over-the-air updates, this truck is more like a smartphone on wheels than a diesel workhorse. But no innovation comes without challenges. Charging infrastructure is still catching up, especially along remote trucking routes. Tesla plans to build a network of megachargers, but until then, range anxiety is real. And then there's cost. The initial price of an electric Semi is significantly higher than diesel, though Tesla argues fuel and maintenance savings will make up for it over time. Finally, there's the human side. With increasing automation, many worry about job displacement for truck drivers. It's not just about trucks, it's about people too. Still, the potential rewards are massive. Fleet operators could save tens of thousands per truck annually on fuel and maintenance. And the environmental impact? Zero tailpipe emissions could mean cleaner air for millions, and a huge step toward a more sustainable future. Looking ahead, Tesla isn't alone. Companies like Volvo, Nikola, and Daimler are also racing toward electric freight. But Tesla's heads start in battery tech, and software might just give it the edge. So, can the 2026 Tesla Semi really deliver? If it lives up to its range, power, and cost savings promises, it just might change trucking forever. But like any revolution, it won't be without bumps in the road. What do you think? Are electric trucks the future? Or just a flashy detour? Let us know in the comments.